Hello guys, welcome back to Free Tech. So in this video I am going to telling you how to generate $500 to $1,000 per month. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related and interesting videos. So without wasting enough time, come to our topic. Open your Google Chrome and I am telling you before starting this video, open your Canva. You can earn $500 to $1,000 with Canva by uploading Canva make Canva gigs on Fiverr and Canva ads, Canva covers and other things I am telling you in this video. So here you can see you can buy the Canva Pro easily on market. It is available in Facebook, Instagram. You if you want to buy Canva Pro, so open your Facebook. After opening your Facebook, you can go and search here Canva Pro and search here. Open any first page. After opening the first page, you can see here you can easily buy Canva Pro in 50 to 100 rupees for lifetime. You can see 50 here, 50% off, so you can easily get Canva Pro on Facebook. So if you want to buy Canva Pro, so easily come on Facebook and buy here easily. So here you can open new tab. After opening the new tab, search here Fiverr. Open the first website. After opening the first website, you can sign in your account. Continue with Google. Please wait. So you can see many people can earn from Fiverr. Click on sign up option and click on continue with Google. So please wait. So there is an issue. So click on continue with email address. Yeah. So you can easily sign up your Canva, your Fiverr account. So here come and see the option of design here, and you can see the option of website. Click here. So you can see there are thousands of website design here. You can easily see and create. So go can on Fiverr and search here website design. WordPress. So you can just only search web design. You can see there are thousands of people can using this website for and making more money. So you can upload your gig on Fiverr, and when you receive your order, so you can easily create on Canva and send him. So easily you can generate 500 to $1,000. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related and interesting videos. Thanks for watching.